It was 2 days ago now that Hurricane Michael made landfall with the Florida Panhandle as a very strong Category 4 hurricane. Sustained winds up to 155 miles per hour. Yesterday, kind of just assessing the damage, and places like Mexico Beach just obliterated here. There is a lot of damage within the Florida Panhandle and places inland, and it is going to take months, if not even years, to rebuild. By the way, Michael became the third strongest hurricane to ever make landfall with the U.S. Central pressure down to 919 millibars. The strongest was the Labor Day hurricane of 1935, and we had a 130-mile-per-hour wind gust reported at the Tyndall Air Force Base on Monday afternoon, as that made landfall, or Wednesday afternoon rather, as that made landfall there. Now the remnants of Michael now offshore, but you still can see the remnants impacting places like Long Island up into the northeast, and the track will take it very quickly across the Atlantic Ocean here and impacting Western Europe as we head into early next week. And we're still pretty active in the Atlantic Basin with Hurricane Leslie, Tropic Storm Nadine, and then this wave of energy that has a low probability of tropic formation over the next 5 days. We're going to be watching Sergio as that lifts northeast into the southern U.S. over the course of the weekend, and will bring areas of heavy rain, maybe some gusty winds, but heavy rain nonetheless. We're looking at maybe some 1 to 2+ inch tallies through 7 p.m. Sunday. So you're going to see the moisture associated with the remnants of Sergio making their way into the southern U.S. Throughout the day today, tomorrow, and even Sunday. Meanwhile, there will be another batch of colder air that heads out of Canada, and along the southwestern flank of that, there will be more snow that develops in the spine of the Rockies, and some of that could be fairly decent, especially through the mountains of Wyoming down into Colorado as well, and maybe a little snow as you get into far northern Minnesota. Temperatures in the central U.S., though, are quite chilly. In fact, well below average in many spots here in the central U.S., but it will be warming up to the west.